GRAB 4 measures have been implemented in the national capital. Now CNN News 18 is on the ground to reality check, to get a sense of reality as to what is happening and how much of it is being implemented on the ground, because the people of Delhi are being forced to breathe in this toxic air. Currently I am reporting from UP Delhi border. This is the Ghazipur border, which is said to be one of the busiest border out here in the national capital, and the condition over here is for everyone to be seen. Manual grooming has already been banned over the last many weeks altogether, because since GRAB 2 manual grooming is absolutely banned anywhere across the national capital. But over here at the Ghazipur border, manual grooming is happening, which is creating a lot of dust over here. Apart from this, the vehicles that are entering from Uttar Pradesh inside the national capital, no one is present over here to actually check this vehicle, frisk this vehicle, and actually make sure that the restrictions that are implemented in GRAB 4 that are being implemented on the ground. There are no police personnel that can be seen over here, no traffic police personnel that can be seen over here. These are just MCD personnel who are over here. They are just over here to collect taxes from commercial vehicles that are entering. It is not their job to actually go ahead and see the registration certificate, if at all the vehicles that are moving from here, if at all these vehicles are less than BS4 or above BS4 diesel vehicles, which have been absolutely banned over here in the national capital. Today as well, the AQI in the national capital was above the 450 mark, which means that it is still very much in the severe plus category. The situation in the national capital is going to remain similar over the next few weeks, but the implementation that was supposed to be happening on the ground, especially after the implementation of GRAB 4, that is something that cannot be seen, especially out here at the Ghazipur border.